In this video, we can see how to prepare a perfect note for competitive examination. So, if you're preparing for any competitive examination, note making is really important. So, if you're a school-going student or if you are a college-going student, note making is entirely different. If you're preparing for any competitive examination, then note making is entirely different. Okay, so note making is a skill that you should have if you're preparing for a competitive examination. It is really important to make a perfect note if you are preparing for any kind of examination. So I'm just going to give some tips if for note making process. The first thing is just try writing your notes in A4 sheets. I'm not compelling you to do or compelling you to write notes in A4 sheet, but it is recommended to write your notes in A4 sheets because you can add or remove pages according to your wish. And if needed, you can just spiral or not. You can just file it. That's all. So your note is ready. Next is you should not prepare your note right after lecture or right after reading books. So this is not advisable. Just start writing your notes only after the completion of your first revision. So this is the second thing. And the third thing is your note should be attractive. Like you can add images, you can add charts, you can add tables, you can write in different colors, but it should be attractive. The fourth thing is if you are writing your notes, then it should be to your best handwriting. So just try writing your notes in best handwriting of you. So this is another thing. So it should be like you should write in best handwriting. And so let's see how to prepare a note. So if you have one page or whatever it is, A4 sheet, or if you have a notebook, just divide your page into different parts like this. So it is advisable to divide 4 parts, but it is okay to divide 5 parts also. So this is 5 part, this is 1, 2, 3, and this is fourth part. Okay, so this is fourth part. Sorry, this is fourth part, and this is fifth part. So fifth part is not necessary, but these 4 parts are really very important while preparing a note. In first part, you should write title of the page or heading, or you can write chapter one like that, or chapter one, chapter name, subject related things you can include, and like you can include important topics to study in this chapter. So this also can be included. Okay, and at this point you should write notes like subtopic 1, subtopic 2, and some tables or figures, or you can add anything at this part. Okay, next is at this third part, what you should write is you should write just summary of this page. Summary of the page means what you have studied at this page. For example, if you have studied necessary of something, or if you have studied some advantages or disadvantage of any structure, you just want to write that. Okay, and at the second, this is very important part in a page. Like you should just write formulas, and you should just include important charts or important tables or important concepts. Okay, and you can add concept or remove concepts. So it is according to your wish. Okay, so this part will be helpful for your revision. Okay, next is talking about this fifth part. You can just do a mind map, or so you can just shorten your notes in this part. So this is a perfect time or perfect schedule. You should first make how to prepare in your note. So this is the best way to make a note. Then according to your visual, I'm just not compelling you to do or follow these things, but at least you can follow. This is some tips you should note, and you should highlight important things like this for theory subjects. So just highlight things in your theory subject so that it will be helpful for your revisions. And this part is very, very, very important. And so only if you're just having your revision, then just look on this left part only, so that your revision is complete. So this is a perfect way to make a note. I hope you like this video. So thank you. That's all. Keep learning. Bye bye.